Hey guys, welcome to TradersHub. Sorry for not doing a videos every day, like a daily recap, all those things from a couple of days, because we are crazy busy with our latest update, like whatever we worked last week and we launched on Monday. It's going crazy, guys. This is giving the best out of best. Like we are getting tons of feedbacks. Thank you so much for your DMs, and we gave our indicator for a couple of analysts as well, and they said that this is the best indicator, and this is the one what we are looking for, because you can see like with this our latest update, you will see like a lot of stuff inside it, like a VWAP and then EMA 9 and then more accurate. Like before, as we say, it's around like a 67% accurate. Right now it's almost like a 72 to 75. It's giving damn good. It literally everything for you. You don't want to depend upon anyone for giving you alerts like that. If you want to be your independent and do the things by you are independent, so join us. So this is the group for who is willing to learn, not just blindly following any alerts. And we do alerts as well. We support you, we do the things, but not just blindly. We make you to learn, we make you to understand the charts, like what exactly going, like a weekly preparation, like that. Like every Monday we do like a weekly preparation, right? You saw that our YouTube video and how it went from that call to today. Exactly, like whatever we gone through the call, it happens, right? So you will get that live calls, and you will get the live calls with a future analyst. You will get the live calls like a long term related stocks, and you will get the live calls with me as well, live trading. All those things will happen around our Discord. On top of it, we are launching a couple of updates to our website as well. Before going there, let's see like what's happened in today's Discord. So not just today, from couple of days, like a lot of updates happen in our Discord, and you can see like wins. We won't force any trader to post your wins. If they say like, hey, I got a gains, wow, thank you so much for this, like that, we won't. If they say that, we are happy. And a lot of people will do a DM to me, hey, I got a win. I know like you people are shy to share in the group. That's fine, that's completely fine. You don't want to share wins, all those things. If you get success, I'm happy for it, and if you're learning out of it, I'm happy for it. That's it. I don't care about all these things, but yeah, thank you so much for sharing all your wins, guys. This is a lot to me. Like you can see this today, crazy stuff, like how we went Nvidia, SPY, Apple, all over. Like a penny bot went crazy, and a couple of trades from different analysts. We have a lot of analysts in our group, and you can see how things was going. And today one of the great analysts, Squeeze Finder, joined us as well. Thank you so much, Squeeze Finder, for joining us and supporting startups like us. So yeah, and you can see all this stuff, like what's happened, like Netflix pop up, and you can see like how our team was playing. Like they're just doing by themselves, they're not depending upon them. So they're doing themselves on watching the charts. Okay, here is the high, maybe this will go down now, like that. So they are understanding the charts, and they're doing themselves. And we have a money folio guy, like he's a long-term investor, and every week we have a call with him 7 o'clock, where we can go over like long-term trades, like what we need to do. To be honestly speaking, guys, I have a good experience on recurring accounts. Like I keep saying, even though you have a day trading account, please maintain the recurring account with the SPY QQQ or like a main, something like that, a couple of tickers where you do recurring every day, $25, $30 to it. It is giving me 10% profits without doing anything, just recurring. That's it. 10% profit without your stressing out. It's a huge, guys. So please maintain your long-term investments as well parallelly, and join us to know more about like what's long-term investment, what are the tips you need to take, tax time is joining, right, like coming, so what are the things you need to take care, all those things, this call will helps you. So every Thursday night 7 p.m. CST, you can join us in this call. And we are launching the mobile app as well. Like you can see, this is our mobile app where you can see like a calendar, everything, like whatever you are seeing in the website, you can see that. So we are launching soon, we are getting ready for it. And you can see our journal as well, right, like here is our journal, where, so this is trader what we do, like a lot of futures as well in our group. So once you import your CSV, automatically it pull all your trades and it will show you like what is accumulator returns, what is the win ratio, what is the average returns. And we are doing a lot more analysis. Still it's in the beta right now. We are testing, our testing team is working on a stage, so still going on. But after this update, like it will be crazy. It will give you a lot of tips as well, understanding your portfolio, what is a good time for you, what are the best things to trade, what are the size to take, and it will give you a lot more analytics. And the future is like going through AI. So our AI bot will help you to understand and perform you better, and it will give you the tips like what is a good time for you, all those things. Lot of things are going to happen inside our website. Right now our pro plan is like 17.99. After like a January 1st, we are launching mobile app, and we are discussing with big clients, like a big fishes in the market, and a lot of people are going to join us after January 1st. Like in the future, so we are going to highlight the futures. So futures will be more focus in our group as well. And you see, our group is not just meant for like only futures, only penny stocks, only options, nothing like that. We have a long-term investors, we have a squeeze finders, like what is going to squeeze in a swing trade and the long-term trades, like that, or the day trades. And we have options going, we have a small caps going, a lot of things, a lot of stuff is going to happen inside one Discord, guys. And coming to TradersHub, you know that I always say everything in one place. So for morning news to night journal, in between you have to do a couple of things, right? Everything will be inside our website. Slowly we'll move from Discord to our website once we launch app, so we can chat there, we can do the things over there. Again, I'm saying right now it's like a 17.99. It's going to be around like a 39.99 after that launch. So lock your price. 79.99 is nothing, and we have a free trial as well. So you can join our team, you can understand either this is a good fit or not for 7 days. I totally agree, for everyone this is not maybe the right one. Some people will be lazy and they just depends upon some random people alerts, like a buy sell, they will buy, they will sell, like that. But if you want to learn and grow money, grow your financial freedom, all those things, and if you're willing to learn only, join us. And let me show you more things here, like a chat room. Every day morning we start here. Like you can see, this morning we did a couple of things as a watch list. So see this, like Apple, we did the watch list. Hey guys, if it is like above 196, go for the calls, and it went like 198. It's a good profit. And Oracle, yes, it bounced very good, but like our stop loss trigger, and a couple of our members took the loss, $100 or something like that. But once it reached like a low point, from here it bounces back. It bounced really nice. But yeah, I agree, maybe stop loss we should move something, depends upon the sizing, all those things. Yeah, we missed that one. And Amazon, it didn't trigger our point like 148.70. It triggered at one point, but it didn't create a new candle. So what our team will do, once we break that and it create a new candle in a 1 minute, then our team will go over. But this Amazon, it didn't trigger today. Nvidia, guys, this hit us crazy today. Like it gave the two opportunities, like a call and puts. A couple of our team members did like a both. They did call with our indicators, and once it reached high and highest strong high, then they know that like hey, this is the strong high, let me take a put. They did that one as well. Right after the call, they went for the put, and they got very good returns. and we got like a couple of SPX, and you can see a lot of stuff here. Went through, keep on discussing here, like a lot of stuff, and we did like hood as well, like a Robin Hood. It was a very quick one, and we show like a in our website. So for example, if you want to see like what's going with Robinhood, just search that like a hood, and then you go to that page, like a specific ticker, and then here you can find easily, like you can change the timelines, how the people are thinking, how the people are watching this. If the people are selling, how many people are selling on the average, how many people are selling on the buying on the average. Like that you can understand the structure of a market, like how the people was reacting or seeing that specific stock. Then you can do like a small number contracts. Okay, right now it's a sellers are coming, maybe I can go for put, something like that, right? So after that, you see like our team bagged PayPal, like PayPal is going swing trade, and it went crazy today. They bagged really good on the PayPal, and a couple of things happen, like hood, as we mentioned, and a lot of stuff going here in like you can see scalping alerts, like swing trades, and then all these things, like how Baba they really got literally backed really hard, like a DADD and BABA. They're really good. It went in a good way, and you can see like a Netflix. So Netflix is the biggest one. What we got, it's a huge. It went crazy on this alert. Literally good, guys. Like it's keep going. Like we keep growing as well as a team, like a day by day with the profits, everything. I know some of you might think like it's a small group, but trust me, guys, this is a small group now, but it's going to be blast at one point, and the small groups has a lot of quality. Instead of focusing on the big groups, if you focus on the quality groups, they will guide you, they will help you, we will do like a 101s with you, everything. The grow will be like together. And couple of our members from the different groups, they lost a lot, like 20,000, 30,000, like that, and they joined us in the trial plan, and they upgraded with us, like they upgraded with us with a lifetime. And if you are interested, join us to the free trial, like www.tradershub.ninja. Go to the website, and you can see like a free trial on the top. Click on it, join us, talk with our members. If they say, if any one of them says like no, this is not a good server, maybe you can skip it. I'm open, like I will give you the free trial for entire like 1 year if you got any pissed off things. Okay, yeah, join us. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel, so this helps a lot, and please share to your friends and family, guys. Thank you so much for watching us.